Hi everybody, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to unbox these 5 Flipkart parcels, and it's going to be an interesting book unboxing video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are just watching my video, that's not fair, my friend. Just go and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new raw video. Without wasting your valuable time, I would love to put my hands on these beautiful box, cargo packaging. I love this, and that's why I order books on Flipkart. Actually, I don't buy books and unbox on special occasions. I do that, and special occasions come, and it actually becomes more perfect. Okay, so here I'm going to unbox the first box, and the first book is this, All Drama No Queen, Andaliv Wazid. Okay, I found this book, the cover was pretty interesting, so I thought I should give it a go. So yeah, I'll show you later. Next is this with the bill, and wow, looks like the cover is amazing. Okay, what do you see when you look in the mirror? Collection of stories by Nikita Singh. So let's see. Let me put it aside. Okay, let me talk about the price of this book. What do you see when you look in the mirror? Collection of stories. It's not a novel, collection of stories. It cost me rupees 146. Okay, 146. The actual price is here 250. It's a fiction, and this is how our gorgeous author looks like. Okay, so don't fall in love with her if you are a man like me. Anyway, so now here, let me see the contents. So there are a couple of stories, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 stories, including like the author's note, mirror acknowledgements about the author. So this book consists of 249 pages. Okay, it has 249 pages. This is the first book. Now let me move on to the second one, All Drama No Queen. Let me remove the thin paper, which has given a very good security to the book. It looks fantastic. A diary in a book. Looks like that. So, yeah. So the actual price is $299. But I had to pay $174. Okay, I got 10% discount on all these books because I bought more than 5 books. Okay, so that's why I got 10% discount, I think. So I really don't know about it, but when you save your books and orders in Flipkart cart, then you get this kind of discount. So you have to check it out. I really don't know, so I should not talk about it more. Now, without further ado, let me tell you, the page quality is okay. Published by Penguin, so page quality is okay. It looks like this, and it has, guys, let me tell you, it has 223 pages, 223 pages. Okay, so it's going to be a fun read. It's a fiction novel. Okay, so let's see. So first 2 books from first box. Let me open this one. I'm very excited. Alright, this time it is pasted here. The peel is pasted here. Okay, so it's, wow, my favorite, Sudha Murthy, author Sudha Murthy's Wise and Otherwise. Look at this. Okay, I was looking forward to buying this book for a long time, and finally I decided to order it. Now it cost me rupees 168, but the actual price is here 250. So I got a great discount. And Wise and Otherwise will encourage you to look at the world around you with new eyes. Wow, so enthralling, I must say, so enthralling. This book really, like, I'm so happy that I bought this book and I'm gonna read this one. So guys, I'll definitely put out a detailed video on this book as a book review. So if you want to get all the notifications of my latest videos, why wait? Subscribe to my channel and just be the member of my channel. Okay, so third book, guys. No bookmark, disappointed. Okay, next parcel from Flipkart again. Not Flipkart, but it's all from Flipkart. Okay, so I should not say that. Okay, so my favorite book again. No bookmark. Yes, bookmark. Okay, and I should not tell you about this book. Eleanor Oliphant is completely fine. Okay, I'm happy to know that. Okay, it looks like this. And let me put this box aside. Let me tell you, this book cost me rupees 235, and the actual price is here, somewhere here. No, it's given in dollar or pound. It's given in pound, but I saw it was, okay, no, it is here, 399. Okay, the sticker from Harper, it's 399. I had to pay 235 rupees, 235. The book, the author looks like this. Okay, and the total pages of this book are, okay, 383. About 385 pages are there in this book. Okay, I heard a lot about this book. I have no idea. I should not comment. I will read it and then I will tell you what the book is all about. Okay, so that's the book number 4. And let me move on to the next box. Bookmark. So happy. Okay, how much do you like this book on a scale of 1 to 10? It's not the right time. I should read it first, then I can tell that. Okay. So, oh my God. Okay, this time there was no tape, so I'm really disappointed. But okay. Oh my God. It's a really hard work, you know. Whew. Yeah, no bookmark. But here is the book, and the bill is pasted on the cover. So, okay. So guys, should I tell you anything about this book? I think I shouldn't. I don't have to. Adi Yogi, the source of yoga. And I saw a video on Sadhguru's channel about Adi Yogi. Who is Adi Yogi? And I found this video very interesting. I will put out the link in the description. Check it out so that you can get some idea by watching that video. And if you want to get the detailed idea, go and grab a copy of this book. Published by Harper, and the quality of this book like this, you know, like it's kind of a hardcover. I don't know what it is called, but it's a hardcover like this. Okay, and the actual price is $299, and I had to pay just $168. Again, $168 I had to pay for this book, and it has 219 pages. 219 pages. So book number 5 in today's video. And if you're still watching my video without subscribing to my channel, guys, please do it. I'm your friend and I need your love, right? So show some love. So that's the book number 5. Okay, last box. And okay, so let's see. Big box. Big box. Okay. Okay. Bookmark, bookmark. No bookmark. Yes, bookmark. Yes, 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 yes. It is also pasted. Oh my god. Like how? How can I take it out? It's like the bookmark is playing hide and seek with me. I might, oh no. No, here it is. Like these children were playing hide and seek. Okay. Guys, are you in relationship? Do you have somebody very close who is upset right now? Like there is a problem going on between you and your girlfriend, you and your boyfriend. Why wait? Go and grab this copy. 5 Love Languages by Gray Chapman, world famous book. You might disagree with him on some sections, but you know what? It happens. You have your own individuality, and that's the best thing about you. But go and grab a copy and see what's there in this book. It might help you. So this is the book which is sold at very cheap price. $145 I had to pay. Published by Jaico. I'm a very big fan of Jaico Publishing, and I'm really so happy that finally I put my hands on this book. And I just would like to talk about the pages count. It has 203 pages, so about 200 pages. Okay, and the price is here given $250. Okay, and I had to pay $145. So guys, and along with a very cute tiny bookmark, and I'm so happy for that. The size and the quality of the pages are amazing, and I'm so happy. Okay, the 5 love languages, the secret to love that lasts. So that's it. Safety first. Okay, so this 2, 3, 6 books. These 6 books I have bought at rupees here. Okay, I can't calculate right now, so you can see here how much I have spent. And you need to tell me which book do you want to buy and read. Okay, that you have to tell me in the comment section. Do you have any recommendations for me? You think that I need to read a book which is going to change my life, which is going to change my perspective about life and about literature, about books, about everything? Do you have any recommendations? Please give me that recommendation. Share your recommendations in the comment section below so that people get some help. Also, I can get some help. And I'm reminding you, before you forget, please subscribe to my channel because that's important. And I will see you next time. Till then, take care and bye.